Hello everyone, myself Christopher and welcome back to Ignite in Minds Expo 2021 powered by the Science Kids. Today we are back with another Python project created by a very young and talented Pythoneer, Dhruv Vishal. So let's get started. Hi Dhruv, before we start, can you give a quick introduction about you and your project?
Hi, my name is Dhruv Vishal and I study in 5th grade. I've created an awesome game using Python.
Wow, great. A game using Python. Okay, so what game is it?
It's a rock, paper, scissors game.
Cool, a rock, paper, scissors game. Wow, it is one of the most popular game among the children. Alright, so now we can play it with the computer also, right?
Yeah.
That's amazing. So can you just show a demo how it works?
Of course. Once you start the game, the computer will ask for your choice and it will compare it with its own choice. After that, it will provide you the output as you win, draw or you lose. Let me show you the demo.
Okay.
So this is a large code. Now when I run the program, so as you see there is a text box asking to enter your choice and you have to enter the lowercase letters. I'll
Okay.
enter rock. It's a draw. I'll enter rock. I lost because paper covers rock. Now I'll type rock. It's a draw. So then the game will end when the opponent's score is equal to 3. So at the end, whoever has the highest score wins.
Okay, wow. So the score which is in blue color, that is your score, right? And the red color one is the computer score.
It's actually cyan.
Okay, wow. That's great. Alright, so I can see there are scores also, so it is a fully working game. And what astonishes me is that you are just in 5th grade and you have created a fully working game. So that's actually unbelievable. Anyway, so one last question from me. So what all concepts have you used to create this game?
I used the random library and the conditional statements to create this game.
Okay, so if we learn random library and conditional statements, we can create this game, right?
Yes, you can. Not just this game. You can create any game you want according to your choices and interests.
Okay, wow. That's great. So now I am very eager to play this game. Okay, I have never played a rock, paper, scissors game with a computer. So first let's finish with this interview and then we'll start with the game. So kids, hope you like this project. You can also try this project and let us know in the comment section. So see you soon again with another Python project. Until that, stay connected and bye-bye.